Ejele protesting in House of Assembly, asking Nigeria government not to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and also tell Igbo leaders to demand for Biafra inside House of Assembly. Say they enter there, they will not talk about Biafra. Say maybe they talk about them for there, so that as northern leader don't tell them to go. Don't be smart, you know. My people, mo go find out how this thing take happen. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time we they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Yeah, my people, let's quickly jump into the matter we will get for our hand today. They say Ejele don't go carry protest, go for House of Assembly, go they tell them say make they no release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and they ask Igbo leaders wey dey inside House of Assembly say make they ask for inside Biafra, for inside there make they go. He also say so many things wey he go do to anybody wey they talk about Biafra. This guy wey they call Ejele. Yeah, my people, mo watch the video and before we come back I continue.
Yeah, my people, we are here live at the it's your boy Ejele Speaks. We are here live at the National Assembly to do what we said we are going to do. Ask these people to either demand for their Biafra or keep quiet about it, because the Northern Elders Forum has told them to go and demand for their Biafra. As you can see, this thing is a pure fraud. Let me try and switch the camera. See the criminal that raise it up, my brother, raise it up. Come, stay calm, please. This is the criminal that started it all with his foolish ESN, and this is a private business, IPOB Worldwide Limited. Here's the registration number, so let it not be as if we are kidding with anyone. Here's the registration number, see it. Company type, private limited company, incorporated, watcher, nature of business, radio broadcasting, and guy, hold this thing, we steady now. Radio broadcasting and cultural education. And this one is for any and is a criminality. You see this fraud, you were .nation, but somehow you forgot to demand for your Biafra when the Northern Elders Forum told you to. Watch it. I know sure say you go follow me, come here again. Then see where we are writing them for their scam. So I'm about to begin right now. I will now hand the mic over. Hold on. Now film me, make sure you are getting me very well. Hello, good afternoon. We've come here today. Stay here. We've come here today to ask our elected legislators to hearken to the voice of the Northern Elders Forum. You people have been pretending that this Nnamdi Kanu scam is not a scam, that is about your Biafra. Well, you've been given the opportunity to demand for your Biafra until now. We haven't heard anything from you. It's either you people tell these little boys in the bushes the truth, say they will go home and look for what they will do with their lives. They will go home and be wishful to their families. Stop lying to our people. That's what we're asking you. Stop pretending as if Nnamdi is fighting for anything. It's a private business. It's a private business known by man and God. There is no one. Face this thing like this. Face it like this. Face it ahead. There is no one who doesn't know that IPOB is a private business. Here is the registration papers of IPOB. Is a private business. And the only Baribe, you say what Biafra is your legacy. Oh yeah, it's time. 17 years in the Senate. No constituency project. 17 years in the Senate. You cannot show us any project worth 25 million naira you've executed. Not roads, not individual sponsored into educational courses. Nothing at all. But you people will be pretending Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for any Biafra. And you have the guts to come and lie that Ndigo are demanding his release as a Christmas gift. I don't know the people you guys had that conversation with. Nobody is demanding the release of Nnamdi Kanu except those that are using him. Nobody wants Nnamdi Kanu out alive. any moment this month, except those that are using him to confuse all these boys in the bushes, trying to use it as a political plot to blackmail the federal government. Now they say no, I can't go. Till now we've not heard anything from any of you legislators, not those in the House of Reps, not those in the Senate. It's time to pull up or shut up. It's a private business. It's a private business. RPOB Worldwide Limited. Stop confusing us. Your job here is to come and make laws that will favor your people, not be a fraud. See the fraud Nnamdi Kanu used to destroy the Southeast, and you want to put the blame on the federal government. How many people have they died? And they are telling us that Nnamdi want him released as a Christmas gift. It's a lie. The only people who want him released are those that are using him and those he works for. Nnamdi Kanu is a known criminal. We are not demanding his release. He must pay for buying our soldiers, our policemen, Air Force, Navy, Civil Defense, burning of INEC offices, destruction of electoral materials, pure terrorism, criminality in the highest order. It's a private business and we know it. IPOB Worldwide Limited. What is here? Private limited company. All written on the document. And they will be pretending they don't know what it is. Just because they are using him to disturb the federal government. No job for the people. Allocations on Agokole and Swallow. Come they tell us Biafra. Why would I not go home? When Biafra come down, now come become senators. Who send on her? No one sent two people to go and demand for Nnamdi Kanu's release. What we want to see are your constituency projects. What we want to see are your human capital developmental programs. You have you to serve your people. Stop deceiving them. Not public schools will get them, and that makes them easier to be used. Guys, turn this side, turn this side. Let's do this one. Turn this side, turn this side. Stop lying to your people. There is no Biafra anywhere. If you actually mean it, demand for it in this house right now. They know they look for Biafra for social media. No, they use excuse, they recruit criminals. You cannot deceive us like you deceived the past generations. It's a private business owned by the Israel Kanu family. We have the registration documents. No one will deceive us. They are deceiving people's children in the bushes, saying that the Fulanis don't want them to have their Biafra. Well, the Northern Elders Forum don't tell on us, no, on account to go. So now, the Northern Elders Forum don't talk, say no, on account to go. Since that time, we'll never hear anything, no. No, I can't go if you're not really mean that. Please, we are begging the National Assembly. Don't pretend to be begging these people. They have nothing to contribute. These are criminals. Don't respect them. They don't speak for us. They speak for Nnamdi Kanu and his private business. They are not our representatives. They are the representatives of Usembo to Kanu. Also, man, I don't release them, we go run again. We go run again if on a release them. No release them, nobody they call for you release. They say this they want his release as a Christmas gift. It's a lie. Where was the meeting venue? Who and who attended? Who and who reached that deliberation? Nobody is calling for his release. If you want to release him, release his dead body to his family. You cannot kill the police and go scot-free. You cannot kill the army and go scot-free. Show me this agent now, but very well. A known criminal. You wear that nation finish. Now you don't reach. They demand for your dope nation. We don't hear your voice, so stop deceiving these children in the bushes. Leave people's children alone. Stop lying to them. Biafra is a private business. It doesn't exist anywhere. Demand it right now or shut up about it forever. Any now, Baribe, not for social media, then they ask for Biafra. Come on for road, make them they see aware. Show the motor now. Show them, make they see away. And now, Baribe, ask for your donation, not to confuse people, children. Let them know there is no Biafra anywhere, so they stop killing each other in the bush. Christmas don't reach. Also, we do if I don't do their masquerade festival for Lagos. Also, we go do on the 26th of December and 29th of December. Where has that happened in the southeast? Never happened until your criminal Nnamdi Kanu set up his ESN, which has rendered our place politically impotent and economically unviable. It's a criminal franchise. You will go home where they defend them for social media. Any nobody they say no, they hear my voice. Now you want help a rent lawyer. Now you want help a hire lawyer. You know what at the top. So I'm 17 years in the Senate. No constituency project. After I go they try secretly, say that they insult on her. But now they insult us pass. See private business where now the Kanu set up. You go here dot nation. Or you come demand your dot nation for inside Senate. You no go agree. Man upon the go. Demand your beer fraud or criminalize it. You either demand it now or you criminalize it. Let people's children not be dying over a scam. Come out, all this motor where they come now. Those kind of people suppose they see them. Biafra is a private business, it's a scam. Nnamdi Kanu must buy. Nnamdi Kanu must buy. Biafra is a private business. It's a scam. It's a scam. Stop giving it time on the floor of our Senate.
John, hold that thing well.
It's a private business.
Hold on for the edge. You know, sir, they hold you on like that. You want they pay you.
No. If not be private business, why they never hear what the Northern Elders Forum talk? Say no, not going to go. Nobody won't go. Anyway, come close, let I talk this one well, make they hear me. If the National Assembly say, may they enact a special law, an act of the National Assembly, to give on a referendum, we go do them state by state. Me I sure say, but you no go follow on now. We for Imo State, we don't say on how well. We no go follow on now. Any of the 3 states we say they want follow on now. Abia State #1, according to their senator, where we are dot nation. No be me talk about. See, I mean, wear the shirt here. No be Photoshop. So if on a say no now, after one day, no problem. No plane go past Nigeria airspace go drop for your Biafra. Any plane wey pass Nigeria airspace to go to on Biafra, they go pay us 75% air fee to use our airspace. By the time una go sell all our property to buy ticket to go where una no go ever come back again. Una go get sense.
Scammers.
By that time, your onions go be foreign made. Your tomato go be foreign. Your fish go be foreign. Your cow go be foreign. Groundnut mostly foreign. Rice mostly foreign. Bees foreign. Then we go come build wall. Everywhere. The 2 bridges will connect on each other, we go bring her down.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, I don't know what this young man, whether they call it Ejele, is getting doing this, but however, I want to leave my people more and leave on our own opinion for inside comment section. And make sure say you share this video with the keeper for tomorrow. Share the video and make sure say you follow this channel. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates as it dey hot. This is what is going on now. I bring update here last time. Tell you I say in talk am say in go protest against the release of Mazi Nnamdi. And now wetin in con dey do now. Yeah, my people, more na leave una own opinion for inside comment section. We will see you for the next update as it dey hot.